I still gotta get me out. In there, isn't he?
Yeah.
I'll get down somewhere.
Yeah.
Alright, we all set?
Yep.
Let's go.
That's it in.
Boys and gals, RandomIslandNorm here. Well, got another boil up video for you guys. First one out the new year. And today I'm here with Eric and Tony. We're down to what's known as the old line. And getting here, well, wasn't very easy. A lot of the barcodes isn't froze up. You know, we had a lot of cold weather recently. But anyways, we made this far in this nice woods on the side of the trail. And we're going to have her boil up in that woods there now. Nice shelter spot. Anyways, hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, let's go cook us some food because I'm starving right now. You changed pretty slack?
Yeah. What?
You changed really slack.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the hard solid, like you gotta warm up a bit.
Yeah. What's that ground turkey? Nice. Good stuff, eh? Awesome. Can you read it from there?
Turkey.
Huh?
Turkey.
Oh.
The season is not open in Newfoundland for turkey, so you can't tell anybody we're shot the turkey.
No.
Anything else? I got the bacon again this time. Can't wait to fry it up. The frying pan, which I got right there. I got some bread. And a plate. Tin-foil plate. Tin plate. And some oil. Probably not going to use that. Some pepper. Might use that in the bacon. And some queso with jalapeno. So I might make a bacon sandwich. Bacon and queso sandwich. That sounds actually really good. Hopefully it turns out good.
Yeah, a bit closer. Huh?
Oh,
I'm sorry, but I didn't see where the point was going.
right.
I didn't get the point. Old grill. So it's the old grill zone.
Yeah.
Yes, sirree.
Oh, cold. Gotta get back in. Right, it was cold. It was all cold, a little bit.
Right. They're right there. Perhaps, maybe, stays below. Yeah, there's one thing we forgot is the grate.
Yeah, sometimes it's great. Some kind of grate.
Yeah.
That would be great.
There's a flam. Oh, jeez. Maybe more than a bit.
Creme brulee.
Didn't want too big, right? So, alright. I can't drink this water. Figured enough. I didn't take no sugar this time. I took tea bags though. I did take some tea bags. There's that.
Whoa!
Shot. I'll take them.
That won't hurt. It's only snow. Maybe a few leaves and bough sprinkles. Only good for you anyways. Oh yeah. That. Yummy. Bacon and queso sandwich, boys. Look at that. Put this together pretty quickly. Not my best work of art, but I'm sure it'll taste awesome.
Ground turkey. Don't tell anybody where I shot the turkey, Norman. There's no season in Newfoundland.
Oh yeah, the good old Newfoundland turkey.
Yeah, don't tell anybody.
When it throws it up,
Alright, give her.
so really,
Got her.
that should be good, isn't it?
Oh, I'd say. Now it's time to fry up the good old Newfoundland steak, aka bologna.
There's two more there, just in one.
Try Eric's ground turkey meat. Oh yeah.
Don't tell anybody where I shot.
Yeah. That's good.
Turkey.
Waiting for it to cool down, eh? Yeah. Don't burn yourself.
No, it's not good bit. Yummy.
Yeah.
Brought some tea bags. So, I figured make one.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you.
Macaron, don't you bite?
I can't wait for the mackerel. This is the part I was waiting for, boys and gals.
I don't drink just
A mackerel kipper. Nice and cooked. Can't wait to try it.
I don't drink no one.
Now my hands become really greasy too, but hey. This thing is so delicious, I don't even care. Last but not least, guys, is the tea. Can't have a boil up without, well, boiling the tea.
Good. That was good.
I actually remembered to bring a mug this time.
Good. It's good. It's good.
It is good.
Yep.
Cheers, boys and girls. Well, boys and girls, that was another boil up. I hope you all enjoyed it. The video, that is. Yeah, that was awesome. We were well stuffed now.
Yes.
Yeah, well, when we got here, well, I was half starved and I couldn't wait to get the boil up and go. But now I'm stuffed. So yeah, it was a good feed. Anyways, guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. But anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. You were awesome. Can't wait to have another boil up, or maybe I'll have a different video post up soon or later, whenever. And here's Eric. Anyways, guys, loves yous. See you all later. Peace out.
Yeah.
Now we gotta drive.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year, everybody. Yeah, first boil up of the new year, 2024. Anyways, guys, you're awesome. Thanks so much for watching. Now I gotta drive all the way back out this trail. Hopefully I don't get stuck.